Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to customize gestures on your headphones EDIFIER W830NB. You have to start by open the application and now go to settings at the right top. Then go to control settings and we can customize only noise cancellation settings. So right here we have high noise cancellation, medium, then wind reduction, ambient sound, and turn off ANC. So we can choose only 3. If you wanna choose, let's say, minimum, you should remove one of these. So just click on it to remove it, and as you can see right now I have 2. So click on medium, and right now we have this one. Or let's say you wanna ambient sound, same, you should remove one of it, and click on ambient. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!